Welcome back, Disney Toy Lover here. Today we have this awesome Barbie sitter. Yes, that's right.
And it pees out the bottle, but you can only put water in the bottle.
Here is everything out of the box. We have Barbie, the caretaker. She has a pretty pink and blue striped shirt with ruffles at her sleeves, some polka dot pants, and some pink high heels. Next we have the baby. Her blankie comes off, and there's her diaper. And her diaper also comes off too, because this baby really pees. So when she drinks her baba, she pees. I'll show you that after we look at everything else. This is her high chair. You have to push this stick in. And the tray lifts up so we can put baby in. And she also has a little cup to feed her with a spoon. We have her crib and teddy bear. We can put the legs on for the crib. And it rocks. Next we have her change-in table, which is also a dresser. It had this in it, and I thought we were getting blocks, but it's only paper. But it still looks nice in there, so I'm going to keep it in there. She has a book, so you can read her a story. She also has a mobile, and the mobile turns. The mobile also comes off. So when it's time for her to go to bed, it can just clip right on. And that way she has something to look at. So here she's ready, and she said, "I want Baba! I want Baba!" So let's get her a Baba. So here I just got a little cap, and there's water in it. So this bottle is easy because you just pinch it, and it will suck the water up. Do you see it water in it now? I think I want more. So I'm going to squeeze out the air and suck some more water up. Now it's filled. 3. Time to feed the baby. Ready?
Yeah.
And I'm squeezing the bottle so it goes up. I squeezed too much. And look, it's coming out. Oh no. Do you see it? Do you see the water drops coming out? Ah, I thought she had a diaper on. This is serious. Let's take her to the change-in table. She needs to get changed. Hey, let's change her since she peed. Gotta take off her blankie. And, ooh, I gave her too much water. Wow, this is all wet. She's all wet. Let's squeeze it, see if any water comes out. Nope. Okay, we gotta hang this up to dry. But in the meantime, she'll need an outfit. I better go get one. So here's some purple Play-Doh. Let's make a diaper. And look what... But I'm so chilly, I need an outfit. It's coming up, baby, just wait. Thank you for my dress. It's just so lovely. Ooh, can I get it in every color? Okay, baby. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Click on the letters to subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.